Good evening all. Welcome to Pantech eLearning. So today we are going to see about how the artificial intelligence are thinking. Okay. So this program is conducted by Pantech eLearning. Okay. By how we are going to we are going to see about how the artificial intelligence are thinking by based on machine learning and deep learning. Okay. So this is the some of the table of contents we are going to see, like introduction to artificial intelligence, and then types of artificial intelligence and types of AI agent, and what is an agent. Okay, that is important. Why? Because in artificial intelligence we need these agents. Okay, so without these agents we can't build the AI. Okay, so we need to use this agent. So that's what we are going to see about what is agent, and then what are the platform available, free source platforms are available in AI, and then conclusion. Okay, so these are the area we are covering in today's session. So let me enter into the session how the artificial intelligence are thinking. Okay, so introduction to artificial intelligence. Here in today's world we have like different type, we are growing fast, very fast, right? We are getting some different new technologies day by day, like for example, if we take a processor, we are using some improving day by day nanotechnologies and all, and now we know about that neurons connectivity, okay, for human beings by by neurons. Okay, so neural link. So like that we are having some advanced futures nowadays. Okay, so each and every days we are do something, and we are upgrading to some new technologies. Okay, and one thing guys, AI is the technology. Okay, you can feel and you can use. Okay, then another technologies in this world we can't use. Okay, for example, if you take the any other invention like bulb or motor, okay, or anything, it will be just we can use it. Okay, but AI is the technology, we can use it and we can feel it. Okay, for example, if you take Alexa or Amazon Alexa or any other chatbots, it will be like within us. Okay, so if you take an example of this neural link also nowadays, now it's a trial version for, they started to use it for pigs. Okay, now it's completed. Now we have to move to the phase 2. Okay, in phase 2 the technology will be applied for even human beings also, otherwise some other animals or human beings. Okay, we don't know about that, but definitely one day they will implement for phase 3 or phase 2, they will use it for even human beings also for the testing purpose. Okay, so if we achieve that one, definitely the AI will be implemented within us and we can do whatever it is. Okay, so that's why I told you artificial intelligence is we can feel. Okay, then in next next 20 years, before 300 years is compared to before 300 years, in next 20 years we will grow more and more. Okay, and first of all, if you know what is artificial and what is intelligent, that is the two words, meaning of two words is nothing but artificial is nothing but it's a man-made, and intelligent is nothing but thinking power. That is man-made thinking power. It's a combination of artificial intelligence word. And here you can see, I told you before itself, right? So we started to using the technology using mobile phone, and within few days we will definitely use the technology within like our hand, or we will use it as a glasses. And then here you can see using neuron links. Okay, using neuron links we started to using, if you don't have any hand also, using neuron links we started to use that. So the science fiction movies, like in Hollywood movies only we seen like this, so it will becomes to real when we achieve the artificial intelligence with neural link means. Okay, So this is the first time the human history technology is going inside of us, and then nowadays data is a new oil and artificial intelligence is the new electricity. Okay, so based on that new electricity only we are going to work in coming future. Okay, and here we have another one new nervous system, that is IoT. Why? Because IoT have n number of data. Based upon the IoT system only we will take all the informations of the data and we will get into the artificial intelligence. Okay, so IoT is the one of the most important. Why? Because here you can see we have like weight machine. Okay, so based upon the weight, if you take even height of the each and every human being, means we will using artificial intelligence like subset of machine learning and deep learning, we can predict an output result whether the person will be obese or not a obese. Okay, so that is used that we can done with IoT. Or if you have in your family they have unable person, okay, that is any disease attacked person in the bed rest, means we can collect the data from each and every second by using some sensors, and we will check the health condition of that patient. Okay, so if you have unstable health condition, means we will easily we can go into the emergency situation like ambulance or hospitals like that. Okay, so like this we are collecting some data from the sensors. Those data will be mostly valuable data, okay, that used for this one. Okay, so artificial intelligence. So that's why Internet of the Things is the new nervous system of the AI. And then here we have a timeline of AI. Like in 1915 the first invented an AI technology by, there is machine to machine conversation by a Turing test. Generally they will call as a Turing test, used for testing the decoding the information that given by an soldiers. Okay, so actually we have this even Hollywood movies also. Okay, like the Hollywood movie name is Imitation Game, how the first artificial intelligence techniques are used and how we comes to know machine will be learn from the data and it will be give the result. Okay, so that's why if you are free, means you can just watch that movie Imitation Game. Okay, Alan Turing is the hero. That is biographic of Alan Turing. And 1955 AI is born, and 1961 we started to using some automation robot, and in 1964 we started to using like Eliza. Okay, is one of the conversation chatbot like that only. And then 1966 we used for electronic, that is first electronic person from the Stanford for mobile robot 1966. And AI winter is nothing but after 1966 the people are talking about its AI is difficult, it's a flop technology, we can't implement furthermore. That's why they started to get on some rumors, and then they not started to upgrade the AI technology. That's why AI winter. And finally in 1997 again IBM is came back with Deep Blue technology, that is chess game, that human beings, that is one of the world class chess champion Gray Kasparov is defeated by a AI technology in chess game, that is the Deep Blue technology. And then 1998 they invented one dog, okay, they respond the people feelings. And then 1999 they used AI Vivo robots, and in 2002 they started to use it for even automation technique robots for cleaning, vacuum cleaning. And then in a 2011 Siri, and 2011 again Watson's also implemented. 2014 like one of the chatbot, and 16 and 17 we used some games also. Okay, so like this is the timeline for AI, how they implemented, how they started the career from the 1915 onwards from till 2017, and it's going on. Okay, this is the basic timeline of AI system and why we need artificial intelligence. Okay, so why we need artificial intelligence means we need some software that solve the real world problem, right? So for that purpose we are going to use the real world artificial intelligence system, and we have some personal assistant also like artificial intelligence like Google Assistant or Siri or Cortana. Using those personal assistant we can achieve the artificial intelligence technologies, and the goal of artificial intelligence is like replicating the human intelligence. Okay, replicate the human intelligence. That is, for example, if you take any hospital, each and every day we are getting some, like we are collecting some data from the patient, right? Like report, right? So using that report card you can train the algorithm, means you will be get a for example, the newly came, if the any other patient will be newly came to the hospital, means we will automatically try to predict the what type of medicines we can give by using AI technology. Okay, so that's why replicating the human technology and solving knowledge of intensive tasks and an intelligent connection perceptron and action, and building the machine which can perform the task required of human intelligence, and creating some systems which can like learn new things by itself. Okay, so that is the goal of artificial intelligence. And what comprises to artificial intelligence, like it will be conclude with philosophy and computer science and physiology, neuron science, okay, biology, mathematics and sociology. Okay, these are the area it concluded with all the compromises. Okay, so that's why artificial intelligence now it's blooming, and we will definitely within 10 years we will achieve this. Okay, so applications of AI, what are the applications we can use for using AI means one of the application is online advertising. Okay, so everybody will know about that. If you are searching for something in browser and then you will be get an ad. For example, if you are searching for in Flipkart, if you are searching for new mobile like iPhone 12, if you are searching for that one, that means whenever you are entering into the browser, automatically you will be get the ad. The iPhone 12 is reduced the price like that. Okay, so that is on one of the online advertising by artificial intelligence. And personalized user experience. Okay, that is user experience. It will be personalized. The user experience means if you have any chatbot or you can communicate with each other, like so that is AI powered chatbots. And then predictive analysis. Predictive analysis is nothing but you can predict the weather report, or you can predict the Bitcoin outcome or range of the Bitcoin, like that. Also you can using some time series analysis you will get a output result by this one. And there is predictive analysis. And web designing and e-commerce websites, content generation and content curation and email marketing championing, voice search optimization, like this and all. Okay, so these are the area we are covering on artificial intelligence. And for example, if you take on robotics side, means we have a Sophia robot. One of the robots interacts socially like a human being, that the robot is called a Sophia robots. Okay, you just, if you are famous, you can just search it for in YouTube or any other platform about Sophia robot. It seems like a human being. It will be give the whatever question you are asking, it will be give the answer as like a human being. And it will be used for machine vision also. Machine vision is nothing but it's like a turning on your machine vision, that is using your open cameras. Okay, and you can predict the output result like face recognition or any other types like vehicle recognition. Okay, like this you can check. So using this machine vision only we can achieve even driverless cars also. Okay, by applying this machine vision by camera, and if you are building a driverless car, it will be used to detect the land between the roads, and then it will be easy to detect the signals in the roads. Okay, so that is the use of this machine vision. And we are having like Just wait a minute. And next one is speech recognition. Speech recognition is nothing but based upon your voice, it will be give the specific task or specific information whenever you are giving.
I don't see an app for that. You need to download one.
Sorry, my Siri also automatically open. And then system control and navigation system, and industrial application, and then voice dialing system. Okay, so this is the speech recognition. And we have subfields of artificial intelligence is like we have machine learning and deep learning, and it can be divided into 3 subfields. Okay, so first of all you need to know what is machine learning and what is deep learning. Okay, so this is the subfields of machine learning and deep learning. So if I use Paint, for example I am using here Paint, and I will show you. If you take a machine learning or deep learning, okay, both the aim is we need to give the data and we need to predict an output result. Okay, for the using some algorithms. Okay, any algorithm like machine learning algorithm or deep learning algorithm, we need to train the algorithm by giving your data, and we need to predict the output result. So when you are taking and separately machine learning, the way of prediction is different, and if you are taking even deep learning, the way of prediction is different. Okay, so if you take a deep learning, the way of prediction is based upon the neurons. Okay, for example, if you take a simple artificial neural network, means we will have an input layer and we will have a hidden layer and we will have an output layer. So based upon the neurons, it will be predict an output result, and it will be give the all the output data whatever you are taking. Okay, so this is the learning path of deep learning algorithm. By using neurons, it will be trained and it will be give the output result. But here if you take a machine learning, we need to use some regression line or hyperplane or margin. Okay, we need to predict and result within like 2 vector, how much clusters you have, and then we need to predict an output result. Okay, so the way of machine learning is somewhat different, and way of deep learning is different. Okay, so what is the advantage and disadvantages of machine learning and deep learning means, suppose if you have x-axis and y-axis, like if you x-axis will be you take it as a data, okay, and y-axis will be take it as a performance. Okay, x-axis will be data and y-axis will be a performance. And here you can see, for example, if you training the machine learning algorithm, okay, so whenever the data is increased, you will be not get an performance in higher value. Okay, when your data is somewhat okay, that is when your data is low amount of data, your machine learning performance will be an somewhat okay. But if you are increasing the data, means the machine learning prediction will be not a good one, that is it's a not an accurate one. Okay, so that is the main drawback in machine learning. That's why we started to using deep learning. So, okay, machine learning is the subset of deep learning. Okay, so that's why we have started to using deep learning. So whenever you are training the deep learning type of algorithm, the deep learning type of algorithm need more amount of data. Okay, the deep learning type algorithm will be need more amount of data. Whenever you are giving a more amount of data, the performance of a deep learning algorithm also increasing. Okay, so that's why deep learning algorithm need a higher amount of data if you need to get an accuracy result higher. Okay, but if it is a deep learning machine learning algorithm, means if you are having a higher amount of data, it won't predict properly. Okay, so that is the basic difference between machine learning and deep learning. So that's why we started to use deep learning. Why? Because nowadays the data is available more, so we need to move on the next step, that is deep learning type of neurons involved. Okay, so that's why we enter into the subset of machine learning and deep learning. And here we have like AI versus machine learning. So for example, if you want to use AI, there is senses of AI, means you need to use computer vision or audio processing, right? And you need to use comprehend like natural language processing and knowledge representation and machine learning and expert system. Okay, so if you need to do those things, if you need to do those things, means we need to correct solution like virtual agent or identity analytics or cognitive robotics or speech analysis like that. Okay, that is machine learning. And here deep learning. Okay, so deep learning is nothing but based upon the vectors. So whenever you are training the data, we need to give only a future vectors. Okay, we need to give only a future vectors and then label. Then I already told you we have input layer, hidden layer and output layer. So based upon that thing it will be trained. Then we will be get inference. Inference is that is trained model. Then we are going to test the data. Okay, so by if you are passing any input future vector, it will be give the label whether it's a car or whether it's a cycle or boat. Okay, so that is a deep learning type of algorithm. And here we have a hype cycle for emerging technology up to 2018. Okay, so here we have a hype cycle like that is each and every place will be represent one thing. That is, if you have a gray color, it represent less than 2 years emerging technology. So if you have a light blue color, that is within 2 to 5 years it will be emerging, that is blue color. And 5 to 10 years means it's a dark. If you have a dark red, the emerging technologies of 5 to 10 years. And if you have a triangle, you will be have even 10 years. Okay, so here you can see augmented reality and blockchain and then IoT platforms and these are the few things we know. So that's why I mentioned here. And quantum computing, 5G, within 2 or 5 years we will complete the technology. So this is the hyper cycle of emerging technology. Okay, then types of artificial intelligence. So if you take an artificial intelligence, we have different types like type 1 and type 2. So type 1 means we have totally 3 types: narrow, general and strong. Okay, we have narrow, general and strong, that is one type. And type 2 we have reactive machine and limited memory, theory of mind and then self-awareness. Okay, so types of AI. So weak AI or narrow AI. This is in type 1 we have generally we have 3 types. First one is weak AI. Weak AI is now we are here only in weak AI only. Now we are here. Till now we are not achieved this general AI and super AI. Okay, general AI is nothing but perform like a human being, that is general AI, and super AI is nothing but intelligent than human being. Okay, so that is the super AI. So now we are in this here only. Okay, that is narrow AI. And artificial intelligence type 2 we have reactive machine, limited memory and theory of mind and self-awareness and all. And let me move on to the agent. Okay, agent is one of the important. I already told you in this webinar itself at the starting of the webinar. So I will tell you what is an agent. Okay, agent is nothing but it's, for example, if you want to replicate the human, what are the things we need? For example, for eyes, ears and others we need some sensors. Okay, and for hand and leg we need some actuators. Okay, so like same thing, if you want to replicate as a human being as a robot, you need some agent. Okay, for eyes, ears and for other organs we need to use some sensors. Here we are using cameras and infrared. And for actuators, hands and legs, we are using here various motors. So this is the agent generally. Sensors, actuators are the agent. Okay, so here we have human agent, robotic agent and software agent and sensor, actuators and effectors. So these are the agent. And here we have, for example, if you take a PES representation. Okay, PES is nothing but if you need to do some process related to artificial intelligence, we need to achieve this PES. Okay, that is performance we need to measure, and environment we need some environment and we need some actuators and sensors. Okay, so if you are applying this PES step to the auto mode pilot in your car, definitely it will be occur easily. How means, for example, here you can see For performance, I will take it as a safety, time, legal drive, and comfort performance. Okay. Then environment. Environment is nothing but roads, other vehicles, and road sign, pedestrian, like this thing and all. Okay. And we have actuators. Actuators is nothing but like steering, accelerator, brake, signals, horns, like that and all. That is on the actuators. And we have some sensors. Sensors is all about like cameras, GPS, speedometer, and odometer, accelerometer, and all. Okay. So if you have this all the things, okay, you will be definitely achieve your driverless car or auto mode in cars. Okay. That is PES representation. So not only for driverless car, if you have PES for medical diagnosis also and part picking robots also. Okay. So for example, if you take a medical diagnosis, you have a performance, you need like healthy patient and minimize the cost, and environment, you need patient, hospital staff, and actuators, test and treatment, like that you need to do. Next one, platforms in AI. What are the platforms available in AI and what you have to do? So here you can see the first platform is like virtual personal assistant. Okay. Nowadays we have a lot of personal assistant like Alexa or chatbot, Google, those lot of personal assistant are there. So this is one of the application used by artificial intelligence. And next one is visualization. Okay, visualization means we have two different meaning. Okay, one is like if you want to access your camera, you need to work something, means you need to do this visualization. Or if you need to detect some face recognition, you need to do, means you need to do those part, that is visualization. And we have audio analytics. Audio analytics is nothing but whenever you are searching for some songs, you need to do this process, audio analytics. And graph analysis. So graph analysis is important for any companies. Okay. So why means using those things only we need to find the some solution in companies. What type of things you need to do, what type of ads you need to cover in the advertisement area. Okay, like that we need to do some process, means we need to use data analytics. And then image analytics. If you want to search for something, or if you need, for example, if you have a Google app or any other gallery, nowadays they introduce into the image analytics. For example, if you click your photos, your face photo, means your only faces will be available in that folder. So like that it will be automatically segregate in our gallery. So that is the use of image analytics. And Internet of Things, we already discussed about IoT, like wireless sensor network or wireless body area network, everything. And robotics and soft robotics, like using robotics we are going to work the automation. And machine learning and social network analysis, machine translation, converting a text into an audio or converting in text into some other language, like that machine translation. And simulating the modeling, we need to use, for example, if you are develop any project, you need to first simulate that project. Okay, if you are done simulation, everything is work properly, we need to move on to the real-time world. Okay, that is simulation modeling and deep learning and natural language processing. Okay, so these are the area we are covering for applications of AI. And then platforms in AI nowadays freely available, and even with amount also available. Most of the platforms are freely available only, like Google AI platform or TensorFlow or Microsoft Azure or Infosys, Wipro, okay, and Watson Studio. Okay, so these are the platforms are freely available. Okay, let we see one by one some important platforms and what is the use of the platforms. Okay, the platform number one is Google AI platform. We have a features like cloud-based machine learning and customer sentiment analysis, spam detection, recommendation system, sentiment analysis, and purchase prediction. So these are the features available. And what is the best thing in this Google AI platform is we can use both spam detection and sentiment analysis and machine learning also. And what are the benefits is it's a art of security system, and it's very easy to work on this Google AI platform, and it's a guaranteed one. Okay, so whenever you are saving any data, it's a guaranteed one. And AI platform bottom lineup is like editor rating is 9.5. That is, if you are working anything in any platform, we need user interface easily, right? Then only it will be understandable. So editor train rating and aggregator user rating is 8.3. And the next one, TensorFlow. So one of the best platform used for deep learning purpose. Okay, we need to use TensorFlow. It's a deep flexibility, true portability, and then mostly used for deep learning algorithms. The TensorFlow package is first developed by and introduced by Google only. Okay, they are invented for deep learning algorithms. It mostly working under the Google search engines. And what the best thing is, it's a flexibility and true portability. So that's why if you wanna learn deep learning type of algorithm, you first learn with Keras and TensorFlow, then you can use PyTorch and all. So this is one of the most important software for deep learning. And what are the most benefits is, it's a fast one, and it will be support both TPUs, GPUs and all. Okay, so that is the use of TensorFlow. And what is the bottom line up for TensorFlow is like editor rating is 9.4. That is, we can easily edit by using this one. And the aggregated user rating is 7.4. This is the both thing that TensorFlow was researched. And next one is Microsoft Azure. Okay, so we have a lot of things in Microsoft Azure. From starting gaming onwards, we are having like blockchain technologies and Internet of Things, Red Hat on Azure, DevOps development and operation. That is, DevOps is nothing but you are a developer and you are a tester. Just simply if you want to develop DevOps. So like this, we have some digital marketing also. And what is the main best is digital marketing and mobile e-commerce only we can do the best. And then what are the benefits is, it's a mobile ended also, cloud based also we are available. We can use either whatever it is. And the bottom like editor rating is 9.4 and aggregated user rating is 7.9. Okay, and Watson Studio, it's IBM, and there are some other feature like see your data or refine your data, deep learning integration, and continuous learning and tools. Okay, so these are the things we are having. What are the best is, you can see your data and redefine your data. And what are the benefits is, we can implement the neural network architecture easily by using this Watson Studio. Okay, so and the next one, what is the bottom line of, like we have a 8.5 editor rating and 9.5 aggregated user rating. So these are the area we are covering this one. And anybody have any doubt up to this, you may ask it in our chat box. I will help you, not only based upon artificial intelligence. If you have any doubt based on machine learning or deep learning, any basics questions, what are the questions you have, just ask me on chat box, YouTube chat box, live chat box. I will be reply you definitely. And the certificate will be provided as soon as possible, and update the link to you in our chat box. You can please check it out and download your application. And moreover, if you are like this video, please hit a like button, and it will be helpful for us. Definitely the certificate we will update you soon, like within 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Each and every day we are going like this only, each and every week, like between from this date to this date we will provide the link to you. You can find it your name and download the certificate to you. Okay. Anybody have any doubt? You may ask it using your comment box. I will reply you. I think nobody have no doubt. Okay, so actually I need to show you one thing regarding about how we can, one of the application, okay, how we can use, like actually here you can see I have a video. The video is all about this one. This is one of the video, just a human is falling down. This is the video, just the human is falling down or standing. Okay, actually this just a video. Okay, so in this video I need to predict whether this person is standing or falling down. Okay, I need to predict. This is the main name of this application. I need to predict by using OpenCV package. So just to see the video how it's. So now what I am doing now means I am going to use this video, and I need to import some packages. The package name is CV2 package, computer vision package, and using that package I am reading the video and save it in one variable, and using that variable I am reading the thing. So I will be getting two variables, one is frame, another one is RET. So using this frame I am going to convert into the black and white image into a gray image. Okay, I will convert into the black and white image into a gray image, and after I am converting into the color I am saved in the gray. Then now I am applying the gray image into an FG mask. Okay, so here you can see before that here I am having an create background substrate of MOZ2. This is the function I saved in FGPG. I am applying this FPGB to my converting gray image in gray, that is color video into a gray video. Okay, after I done this both, I just applying it in my FG mask variable name, and using this FB mask variable name I am finding the contrast. Okay, that is finding the samples. Okay, and this contrast will be saved in this variable name, and now I am going to use this contrast only. I am going to predict an output result whether the human is, that is whether the person will be fall down or just standing. So if it is a fall down means I need to get a result as a red color square box. If it is a standing, if the person is standing in front of camera means I need to get an output result standing. Okay, so for that purpose I am already have a trained file. Okay, I already have a trained XML. So this is the file which already we trained the algorithm. Okay, after we trained the algorithm, I saved the trained algorithm as a .xml file. Using this XML file only I am going to predict a result. Why? Because here I just opened my camera and I read the videos, and I just opened the video and I converted all the video into a grayscale value, and I'm going to predict the output result. But how it's predicting means the background of this pedestrian.xml document only. Okay, using this document only I'm going to predict an output result. So if you want to run this code, you have to use your open your command terminal. Here in command terminal I am having a base root, so I need to change this base into my OpenCV package installation environment. So here I need to use activate new. Now new is activated. So here I created the new environment. Within this environment only my package is installed, the two OpenCV packages. So if you are installing with normal base root, you can run it within this, it's not a problem. Okay, now I am copying this file path and paste it here by placing cd space paste. Okay, that is change directory and change the path. After I am changing the path, cd space paste the path, again copy and paste it here. Now the path is changed to here. So now I am going to run the Python code. The Python code is like Python then new.py. So if I execute this code, automatically the video will be open and my coding will be automatically predict the result whether the human is falling down or stand. If it is the person will be stand in front of camera, automatically it will be detect the green color. If it is a fall down, it will be give the red color square box, rectangle box. Okay, so just to see the output result. So now person is standing green color and the person is fall down, it's a red color. Okay, see here, red color. Now it's turned to green color. So like this it's predicting the output result. So this is one of the technique we are seeing in our output. Okay, so that's it about today's session. I hope everybody will understood about this session. Anybody have any doubt up to this, you may ask you in our chat box. And if you like this video, please hit a like button and it will be useful for us. So everything, how it's predicting a result. Yes, how it's predicting the result means here you can see I am having an XML document. Okay, so this is the XML document. If you open this file, here you can see I am having OpenCV storage and Haskell file, OpenCV Haskell file classifier. So it definitely it won't understandable for us. Why? Because this and all automatically created by your trained model. Okay, this is automatically created by your trained model. For example, if you take generally here one algorithm, one deep learning algorithm. Okay, you are having one deep learning algorithm. So for this algorithm I need to give some data. Okay, what is the data is I have a video or picture of whether the person will be standing. I have a video or picture. Okay, anything. We are having a standing pictures and videos in one folder, and we have fall down pictures and videos in one folder. So I am doing some pre-processing technique. For this also I am doing some pre-processing technique. After that I am going to train the algorithm. Okay, I am going to train my algorithm. After I am training the algorithm, I am converting the data will be learned from the standing and fall down by this data, and I will be get a new algorithm, this trained algorithm, right? Algorithm after this, my algorithm before that the algorithm is empty, don't know anything, but after I am passing this trained data, my algorithm will be trained, right? So what I am doing this one means I am taking this, I am dumping this trained algorithm into one file. Okay, so using this file only I am giving my input test data by using video or your camera. By using this file only, it's giving an output result whether the person is fall down or standing. Okay, so this file is this one XML file. Okay, so based upon this file only we are predicting an output result. So that is what I am having, that's why I am having here this one and video and my Python file. So my Python file is just for reading the input, and this also reading the trained data and predicting an output result by using square bracket, square rectangle symbols. Okay, whether it's a green or red. So this is the way it will be give the output result. So thanks for this wonderful session, guys. So if you are like this video, please like the button. If you are new to this channel, please hit a like button and subscribe the channel, hit a like button, hit a bell button. You will be get a notification each and every time. And about this workshop, if you have if you need any other furthermore, okay, anything details you need to see, you can contact me as on WhatsApp number 9010888841, and we have Telegram channel also, Pantech eLearning. You just join with us. And if you need like this webinar or like any workshop or internship with Pantech eLearning, you can contact us on Sendil Kumar, Mr. Sendil Kumar, Mr. Srinivasan and Mr. Kumarasamy. So they will help you regarding this. Okay, so thank you for this wonderful session, and thank you all. We will see you on another one nice session. Until it's signing off from Kamalesh. Thank you.